Hello everyone, this is Papu from Gaming. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your email address which associate with your PlayStation account. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. On the home screen of the PlayStation 4, go up to the top bar and move to the right to Settings and select Setting. Now go to Account Management, then go to Account Information. Then at the top you will see an option that says Sign an email address and change your email address. Let's go ahead and select that. Now we will have to type in our new email address and make sure it's a valid email address. If you change your sign ID, you will automatically be signed out a PlayStation network and need to verify your email address to sign back in. An email will be sent to your new email address. Follow those instructions to verify your email address. So let's go ahead and hit confirm. I will be signed out with the PlayStation. Okay, for security purpose, I do have a password online my account, so I'm gonna go ahead and type that in right now. Alright, let's go ahead and hit OK. So I'm signed out of the PlayStation network. Now I'm a computer. I'm just received an email from PlayStation Sony. So here is the email in my Google email address. So let's go ahead and hit verify now. Okay, let's go back to the PlayStation 4. So now I can go ahead and type in my password like I usually do it. And I should be able to sign in with my new email address. Now let's go ahead and sign in and see if my new email address works. To check my email address is already changed in my account, go to Account Information. Then select Sign in ID email address. And there we go, I have a new email address associated with my PlayStation account. This PlayStation 4 help video help you out. Make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out some of the other PlayStation 4 help videos coming up next on Gaming. Thanks for watching this video.